is up and welcome back to another video. So today in this video we are doing another one on Happy Wheels. So I have this level here and it's called the Seganators. So yeah, let's start it. Great. Apparently went out full screen. Allow restart this level. Okay. Get through all that. Okay. Right, let's restart that. There we go. It should, yep. Okay, so now I jump and I guess oh, maybe you have to like jump it. Okay, this will be the last try and then we'll go on to another one. Let's go. I don't know if I jump there. It said something. So once I get past that. Cave. Oh, just yeah. Okay, no. Well, I died. Let's exit the menu and let's get some more ones. So I'm always going for these ones, but I never realized they could search. So what I've always wanted to do is a rope swing. There you go, rope swing. Yeah, so look, plus ball fall, I guess. Segway got. Okay, so you're meant to do it straight away. Okay, there. And this. Oh my gosh. Yes, now grab onto it. Yes. No. Oh, head first. And everything. Oh, that's disgusting. Right, let's go. I think this will be good. Yes. I don't know if you're meant to do that or that's just for help. Yes. Get to it. Okay, it's pointing down here. Oh, this is the ball thing. That also included. This level's cool. Ugh. Okay, are you ready? Set. Push. Push. No. Slinky. Yes. Slinky Dinky. That was amazing. That was really fun. Let me turn up the volume for you guys. Hopefully that isn't too loud and you can still hear me. But that was a good level. Let's rope swing hard. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, you gotta choose your character. Come on, Santa Claus. Oh, okay. I don't think that's possible. Yeah, it isn't possible. Okay, so that level, I guess he or she might have made it wrong. Rope swing, Deathman. Oh, okay, so it's one of these ones. These ones are good. Okay, let's press Z and and go. Z. Z is you put them where my leg. Oh my god. Okay, I actually fixed it. Oh my gosh, you broke your segue. Press Z. Okay, reach up and come on. I wanna. Yes. No. Okay. I think that's way too hard because he put a ball where we should be able to go. Yeah, like see. Oh, this one's cool. Yeah, see no balls there. So once you press Z, then you go and you grab on. Oh my gosh, you already broke your arm. That is the worst thing that could happen right now. I like the things like that spin you around, but I don't really see much. Oh my gosh, everything's falling off. In the game, I can't stand the pressure of the people. Oh my god, no. So let's go here and let's go. I was at the last bit. I was actually at the last bit. And guess what, guys? I failed. Guess what, guys? I'm a noob. Guess what, guys? That's all I can say. But yeah. So keep in mind that this is my third ever game of Happy Wheels. So yeah, and I'm gonna be trying to do rope swing demo. Okay, I'm gonna be trying to do the impossible quiz as well. I think you guys might like that. Oh my gosh, right there's another rope there. Okay, right about here. Oh, come on. Oh, damn it. I can see why it's 0 stars rated. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this is a normal rope swing. Yeah, I knew that it would happen like that. And again, that's really stupid. Wait, what? The chain breaks. Okay, that's cool, but annoying. Steve. Okay, let's do some Jacksepticeye levels. So JSAK there, Jacksepticeye. Yeah. So I'm a big fan of Jacksepticeye. If you don't know him, definitely hi players. This is my first level, so have fun. If you could try put this in videos, damn it. Okay. Oh, was I meant to do that? Oh, okay. Let's do that again. We try the videos. Change key and to Steve that you're meant to use. Okay, so let's change our character because apparently it has to be Steve, which is right here. And I guess I have to wait. That's cool. Now, eject! Steve? Steve? Oh, Stevie. Okay, control. Wait, what? Oh, I was meant to stay. Ow. Steve. Okay, let's restart this level. This one to stay on. So I guess I'll just do it. Yes. I'm taking this time. So, as you know, I'm a newish YouTuber and I don't have that many videos. But I'm going to give a shout out to some of YouTubers that I would watch and they're cool and are Irish, just like me. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, wait, Z. Okay, well, I want to give a shout out to Kean Brogan, go subscribe to him. Bitter Yapper, also go subscribe to him. So yeah, they're just all famous YouTubers. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, do Slinky Slink. Wait, grab onto that. Yes. Now. Yes! Yes! Oh, don't go. That's probably getting a bit boring. So let's hop in straight to another video. Jacksepticeye's quiz. Now I know a lot about Jack. Okay. I knew it was gonna be big with like they're both right. You guys want to know that, Sean? Oh my gosh, yeah, he has. Okay, let me reset that. Like that. That is true. Okay, I guess I died. So, I think I'm gonna leave this episode here. So, if you guys have enjoyed it, please hit the like button. And if you're new, please subscribe. And I will catch you guys later. So, goodbye, guys.